In this video, I'll show you how to export your board in Asana. Once you are on your Asana account, the first step is to head over to the navigation panel on the left-hand side. And from here, you want to head over to the bottom and click on Projects. Now, once you click on Projects, it will be the list of all of your projects. From here, you just want to head over to the project in which you want to export the board to. Let's say I want to do this on my first project, so just click on a project. Now that will take you to the project overview. From here, I have a list view. If you head over to the second, which is the board view, it will look exactly like this. Now, if you want to export the board, head over to the top bar beside the title, click on the drop down for actions, and at the bottom, you will have an option to export or sync. Now, on the right hand side, you have a few options. Either you want to export this as a CSV file. At the bottom, you can also sync it within Google Calendar, Outlook, iCal, and Google Sheets. What I do suggest is to export this as a CSV file. You can export the project tasks or time entries. Now, let's say I want to do this on the task, so just simply click on the first option. Want to do that, it will ask you how you want to format this, either a CSV or an XLSX file. At the bottom, you can select which custom fields to export, either the custom fields within this project or all of it. I will choose the first option since this is the most recommended. And once you're done, head over to the bottom, click on export. That will open up your browser and it will look exactly like this. Now from here, what you can do is simply open this through Google Sheets or Excel. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. Please let me know if you have any other questions in the comment section below, and I will try my best to help you out.